Also, Tesla is absolutely cool with the cloning. You might not have known about Chinese EV startup Xiaopeng Motors previously, and it could possibly keep on being in the news. Everything relies upon how things go. Business savvy. Until further notice, things is by all accounts going entirely well. Electrek reports that Xiaopeng Motors has quite recently secured a $348 million venture by two immense Chinese organizations, Alibaba and Foxconn. Up until now, Xiaopeng Motors has created only one idea, the all-electric SUV envisioned here. Since it was established by a person named Henry Xia in 2014. Called the Xpeng, it doesn't generally look all that much like a Tesla, all things considered. Open its entryways, notwithstanding, and the Tesla impact can't be covered up. In any case, that is alright, notwithstanding for Elon Musk. Why? Since Xia conceded his organization was exploiting Tesla's open-source licenses, Xia, a specialist via preparing, saw a chance to get something off the ground and pulled at all the stops, yet appears to have done as such shrewdly. All things considered, Tesla tech works and he didn't need to take it, a typical practice among Chinese brands. Simply take a gander at the Landwind X7 contrasted with the Range Rover Evoque. That's all anyone needs to know. We don't know precisely which licenses the Chinese startup has used, however Electrek trusts battery pack innovation is a probable plausibility. You ought to likewise take a gander at the Xpeng's inside. Look at its substantial touchscreen and general dash format to a Tesla Model S or Model X. The Xpeng SUV's battery pack is said to have a scope of up to 186 miles on a solitary charge and will likewise accompany comparative independence and help driving highlights found on Tesla's autopilot. Once more, Xiaopeng Motors isn't preventing its utilization from claiming Tesla licenses. That is obviously sufficient to get that tremendous venture from two of China's best organizations.